So there's a new update on WhatsApp where you can now tag or mention people on your WhatsApp status. This is such an interesting update. And now you can tag people, maybe you're talking about them or you have a video where they featured in the video, you can tag them and they'll see it and they can even repost it. So if you've probably not heard or seen this update yet, all you need to do is go to your app store or your Play Store and update your WhatsApp app. It's available on both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. So update your WhatsApp app, you're going to see it there. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, or you can try it out, and also how you, the person that they tag, can also repost the video or whatever it is that they tagged you to. So watch this video to the end and let's go. Now, this feature is only available when you want to post an image or a video on your WhatsApp status. It's not yet available for text. So when you come to your status, you can either post a text like this, or you can post an image or a video. Now when you do the art, nothing shows up, but let's go and post a video or a picture. So you're going to click on the camera section and you're going to select maybe an image, right? And now I want to tag somebody. So here's what you're going to see when you click on the, or when you're about to post the image or the video. You're going to see an art sign by the right of the box where you can type. So you're going to click on that art and it's going to take you to your contacts. Next thing you're going to do is select the contact. I'm just going to select my business line and click on add. Now it has been selected. Now it is tagged. So I can just add, check this out, right? And he or the person has been tagged. You can also tag more than one person to a status update. I don't know if you understand, right? So that's, this person has been tagged, and guess what? The person is going to get a notification that I tagged him or her in this post. So let's send the post and let's see what it looks like after it has been sent. See, status has been sent. Let's check this out. The status update that mentions the person involved. Now, once I click on the three dots at the top right, I can see view mentions and I can see the person that I mentioned. So the person can see that I mentioned him. I don't know if you understand, but no other person can see that I mentioned the person. That's how the feature works right now. So let's say you just want somebody to see something, or you want to make sure the person sees your status, you can mention the person. There are different ways you can use this to get people's attention. Someone that is probably, probably wanted to buy something for you before but didn't follow up or didn't continue the payment, you can show post a testimonial and tag the person to see it, right? And when they see that status, they can also see other status updates that you've posted. I don't know if you get it. They can see other status updates, maybe your pictures, your videos, your testimonials, other things that will make them want to buy from you. So I hope you check this out. But now let's go to my other device and see what the tagging looks like. All right, let's go. So now this is my account where I was mentioned. You will see a notification from that person saying you were mentioned. When you open the chat, you can now go and see the status where you were mentioned. So when you tap on it, it takes you to the status update and they will tell you three things. One, people who mention you when they want you to see their status. Other people cannot know that you were mentioned, and you can also repost. So when you see the button at the bottom right, that's like an arrow, that's what you click on to repost. You can repost it, change the caption and post on your own status. You can also like the status where you were tagged or mentioned, and it's quite easy. Once you're done, just click on the arrow to send and you're good to go. So that's how it works. Now you can see how it's done, right? Very simple, very easy. Try it out. Let me know if you like it in the comment section, and if there's any other tip you want me to share, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please share this video, share, like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, because this is where we talk about sales, marketing, finance, and things that help you live a highly profitable life all around. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.